How to pair Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones with PS5 and PS4 Method 1. Use a wired connection, simple and reliable. Step 1. Turn off your headphones. Step 2. Plug one end of the 3.5mm headphone cable into the headphone jack on your PS5 PS4 controller. Step 3. Plug the other end of the cable into the headphones. Optional. Turn on your headphones to activate features like noise cancelling. Step 5. On your PS5 PS4, go to Settings, Sound, Audio Output, Output Device and select Controller Headset. Step 6. Set output to headphones as All Audio for full game sound. Method 2. Use a Bluetooth audio transmitter. Wireless audio only. Step 1. Plug the Bluetooth transmitter into your PS5 or ICE port via USB. Step 2. Put your 1006 in pairing mode. Hold the power button for about 2 seconds until a blue light flashes. Step 3. Put the transmitter in pairing mode. Follow its instructions. Step 4. Wait for the devices to pair. A notification sound from the headphones will confirm the connection. Step 5. Start playing your game. Audio should now be coming through your headphones.